India. I was in 2 days yet in India when all the storm came to the Philippines. So I was not aware really of what was happening. There was no television, no news, or no English channel I could listen to or watch from at that particular time when the storm was raging. When the storm was raging, I was in front of students from the school called St. Anthony School. It's a school of 1,600 students, and 50 of them, or less than 50 of them, are Catholics. The rest are Muslims. The rest are Hindus. And I was with them for about 3 weeks. And I was giving talks to the students from 9th grade to 12th grade, and as I've said, many of whom are Hindus and Muslims. The school is situated in a heavily Muslim community. So it was a wonderful immersion experience. And allow me, if you may, just to share with you the short words I said to them when I was talking about what was happening then in the Philippines because of the Typhoon Haiyan. I said to the students of St. Anthony, I said, this is the strongest storm that we'll ever hit. It hasn't hit at that time. And I said to them, it's going to hit at 350 kilometers per hour. And that's going to kill a lot of people. And their faces were just looking at me. And then they could not probably understand what I was talking about when I said to them, you probably don't know anyone who will be victims of this particular typhoon. You're not Filipinos. You probably do not understand what they're going through. But even if you're not Filipinos, even if you're not suffering as they are, you know what? Even if they're not, many of them in the Philippines, I said to them, were Christians. But even if you're not Christians, even if you don't have relatives there, whether we be Christians, whether we be Muslims, whether we be Hindus, we share in common humanity. When I said that, all the kids clapped their hands. They understood it. They get it. That we share common humanity. And that is the reason why we're doing this fundraiser. Because we share in common humanity. Their suffering is our suffering. Their pain is our pain. Before coming here, just a few minutes